Fire of God, burn in me. Use my life to glory Thee. Ease my pain and help my soul, and make me meet for empty bowls. Who will hear and who will see? Fire of God, burn in me. Simple faith, a trusting child, Thou canst make from wanderers wild, soothing balm and ointment mild to them that heard from Satan's wiles. Lord Almighty, give to me, let Thy fire burn in me. Let mine eyes Thy glory see, and show my heart eternity, watching, waiting for Your return, when we're changed, Your glory shown. Answer Thou my humble plea. Fire of God, burn in